Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you, are cryptocurrency wallets secure? So watch this video till the end so that you get your answer. Wallets are secure to varying degrees. The level of security depends on the type of wallet you use: desktop, mobile, online, paper, hardware, and the service provider. A web server is an intrinsically riskier environment to keep your currency compared to offline. Online wallets can expose users to possible vulnerabilities in the wallet platform, which can be exploited by hackers to steal your funds. Offline wallets, on the other hand, cannot be hacked because they simply aren't connected to an online network and don't rely on a third party for security. Although online wallets have proven the most vulnerable and prone to hacking attacks, diligent security precautions need to be implemented and followed when using any wallet. Remember that no matter which wallet you use, losing your private keys will lead you to lose your money. Similarly, if your wallet gets hacked, or you send money to a scammer, there is no way to reclaim lost currency or reverse the transaction. You must take precautions and be very careful. So I am giving you some tips which is useful to secure your crypto wallet. Number 1. Back up your wallet. Store only small amounts of currency for everyday use online, on your computer or mobile, keeping the vast majority of your funds in a high-security environment. Cold or offline storage options for backup like Ledger Nano X or paper or USB will protect you against computer failures and allow you to recover your wallet should it be lost or stolen. It will not, however, protect you against eager hackers. The reality is, if you choose to use an online wallet, there are inherent risks that can't always be protected against. Number 2. Update software regularly. Keep your software up to date so that you have the latest security enhancements available. You should regularly update not only your wallet software but also the software on your computer or mobile. Number 3. Add extra security layers. The more layers of security, the better. Setting long and complex passwords and ensuring any withdrawal of funds requires a password as a start. Use wallets that have a good reputation and provide extra security layers like two-factor authentication and additional PIN code requirements every time a wallet application gets opened. You may also want to consider a wallet that offers multi-sig transactions like Copay. A multi-sig or multi-signature wallet requires the permission of another user or users before a transaction can be made. So using these tips you can use your wallet without any problem. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.